Hey guys, we've got some big news from the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. In reply to the SEC opposing the motion to intervene by XRP holders, they filed a memorandum outlining several key points, including, but not limited to, the fact that there is no law barring XRP holders from intervening, that they have a vested interest in the case, and they should be allowed to intervene because this provides necessary and valuable information in the case without causing any disruption or delay. Hello and welcome back to Make Money Online, your go-to place for everything XRP. For those of you who are new to this channel and want to learn more about XRP, hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. Also, now you can join the channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits. All you have to do is hit the join button next to the subscribe button below this video. We have several tiers to choose from, which offer rewards ranging from special XRP Army stickers and a badge right next to your name to personalized help with your portfolio. You can also sign up for our free Discord group via the link in the description and join a community of like-minded traders and investors, and there's the option to join and get access to our VIP channels on Discord, where we share the latest news, technical analysis, predictions, and everything XRP. Be sure to check it out via the link in the description and also in the comments. If you head on over to Twitter, we have a couple of tweets from our favorite XRP attorney, John E. Deaton. He posts #XRP holders, reply memo to the SEC's opposition to our motion to intervene is filed, while quoting a previously posted tweet from his US legal and regulatory news handle, Crypto Law, where he leaves a link to that memorandum for his followers. If you look at that document, you'll find that it's pretty concise and hard to argue with, maybe because John Deaton is an expert in defending such motions to intervene. But a little bit of backstory here. Back in December 2020, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple and two of its executives. Essentially, the SEC is accusing Ripple of selling investment contracts as unregistered securities. In our defense, we, the members of the XRP community, hold it against the United States Securities and Exchange Commission for not having our best interests at heart before filing against the fintech startup. Ripple and its executives might be accused of doing something wrong, but in the end, isn't the SEC supposed to protect the rights and best interests of investors in US financial markets, as is their duty? Instead, by suing Ripple, what the SEC is doing is causing us to lose a considerable sum of money, to the tune of $15 billion. This can hardly be considered as protecting our best interests. If the SEC is suing Ripple because they think the company was hustling us, this means they believe Ripple and its executives are not protecting XRP holders, and all they care about is protecting Ripple Labs, the company. If that's the case, then nobody's looking out for the interests of the XRP community. And that is again why John Deaton decided to come in, setting the stage for whoever wishes to sign up and collectively petition to intervene in this lawsuit, also giving us ample opportunity to represent ourselves. 16,000 people had co-signed this motion John Deaton had filed. Similarly, Thomas Hodge had indicated that he had successfully acquired 30,000 signatures, all thanks to his petition to the SEC Chairman Gary Gensler regarding the out-of-the-blue charges, termed the 11th hour charges, brought by the US SEC against Ripple. We'll get back to the actual tweet in a bit, but in this petition, crypto and keynoter Thomas Hodge had said that we're asking Gary Gensler, recently confirmed as the new chairman of the SEC, to take a close look at the SEC's allegations against Ripple Labs, its co-founders, and the harm the SEC's actions have already and needlessly caused to holders of the digital currency XRP. The petition also included a few more detailed points where Gary Gensler was asked to make a public commitment to sitting down with the holders of XRP and other digital assets to understand what it truly means to defend investors at the SEC, end the Ripple lawsuit and stop the SEC from making up cryptocurrency rules through lawsuits in place of writing these rules properly with public input and partnership with the US Congress. Also join together with US crypto and blockchain developers and digital asset holders to develop a clear regulatory framework for everyone, which makes sense and protects innovation while fighting fraud and criminality. And the petition also requests the SEC Inspector General conduct a thorough investigation of the matters that led to the last-minute lawsuit against Ripple, filed on the last day in office by former SEC Chairman Jay Clayton. That investigation must look into the contacts and relationships, past and present, between former Chairman Clayton and former SEC Director of Corporate Finance William Hinman, In the United States, China, and other countries which had direct or indirect interest in the policy statements and official opinions they both issued during their tenure at the SEC on cryptocurrencies and other assets they sought to regulate. Thomas Hodge also pointed out why he thinks that the current SEC chair, Gary Gensler, should take this seriously. He said 2 of President Trump's top political appointees at the SEC were and continue to be closely linked to financial interests in Bitcoin, Ether, and financial technology business in the People's Republic of China. Any of these connections individually would raise a question of conflict, but taken together, it reeks of something much more nefarious. Former SEC Chairman Jay Clayton and his SEC Director of Corporate Finance William Hinman came to their SEC posts after earning huge fees working for the IPO of Chinese tech giant Alibaba, which operates the mobile payments platform Alipay. They also took over at the SEC just as China was launching its all-out strategy to gain control of the hash rate of Bitcoin. During his entire term at the SEC, Hinman received millions of dollars in payments from the law firm of Simpson Thacher, which sits on the Ethereum Enterprise Alliance. Hinman collected checks from the firm while it earned huge fees supporting the IPO of Chinese crypto mining giant Canaan. While Clayton and Hinman were in office, they were asked if Bitcoin and Ether were securities. They said very clearly on the record, no, they are not securities, so keep trading them. They both took money from companies with direct or indirect interest in these public statements. Clayton spent 4 years of his tenure being asked in interviews, public forums, and official communications to the SEC, is XRP a security? Over and over, his agency's answer was the same: we don't know. At least one crypto exchange asked Clayton's agency point blank years earlier whether XRP was a security, and when given no indication that it was, the exchange listed XRP on its trading platform. Billions of XRP tokens have been bought and sold throughout the world for 7 years with no connection to Ripple, its executives, or its software products. The decentralized XRP ecosystem flourished far beyond Ripple or its software products for banks for cross-border payments. But on his final day in office, Clayton had his SEC file a massive lawsuit against Ripple, claiming it had sold XRP as an illegal unregistered security for 7 years, and that every sale of XRP on the secondary markets had been an unregistered security sale. Furthermore, the SEC alleged that Ripple and all holders of XRP should have known for the last 7 years that XRP was a security, when the SEC itself repeatedly said it didn't know until the day it filed the lawsuit in December 2020. Really makes you wonder, huh? On a final note, Thomas Hodge's tweet that we mentioned earlier read as follows: Today, I will be submitting more than 30,000 signatures on this petition to SEC Chairman Gary Gensler with our list of actions we urge to be taken on behalf of digital asset holders and in the best interests of our economic future. It is a humbling experience to seek the support of like-minded people on an issue like this and see such an outpouring of support from leaders in the crypto community like John E. Deaton, Tony Edward, Jeremy Hogan, Matt on the Moon Lambo, Jeff from On the Chain, Rosalind Layton, and so many others around the world. I am closing the petition and preparing the final documents with all the signatories to electronically submit to the SEC chairman later today. I'll send more updates once it's been sent and on what we can do next together in this process. Thanks for watching until the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to the channel and turning on post notifications so you always get updates whenever we upload new videos. Don't forget, you can also join the channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits, and our free Discord group remains open via the link in the description. If you have any questions or comments, please do let us know in the comments section. Check out some of our previous videos as well, and we'll see you next time.
Perfect. That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.